मैं जब गिद्दा कर रही थी और मैं मेहंदी तो एक डायमंड वापस गिर गया. Too simple for a birthday. Congratulations. It is such a coincidence कि I think ये घर वही घर है जहाँ पे और बाहर देख वो करने के लिए वो स्काई क्लियर हो जाएगा. देखो सामने पानी दिखेगा. Oh my God.
दूध सोने से पहले ठंडा दूध पी के.
Grape seed mist was born.
Hi everyone. Hi. Bye boys. Bye boys. It's looking so nice on your hand. It's looking really nice. Yeah. And then he surprised me. And he also got me a note, which I can't read. Standing here since the last 15 minutes. That's me in the Oberoi Mall.
Diamond girl.
Hi everyone. I am on the way to go see a house with Rahul. Rahul अपने घर गया हुआ था. मतलब कल हम दोनों उसके घर गए हुए थे. Then I had to shoot, so I came back in the night, and then he was still there. So now he's directly coming to the property, and I am going to the property right now. So I'm so excited. It's actually going to be like our first home, and it is such a coincidence कि I think ये घर वही घर है जहाँ पे रोनू और अनिरुद्ध रहे थे. नहीं, मैं नहीं मानता. बिकॉज वो ब्रोकर ने हमें वीडियो भेजा है. I'm like ये घर एग्जैक्टली ऐसे क्यों लग रहा है, क्योंकि मैंने ये उनका होम टूर देखा था. एंड आई वाज लाइक मुंबई हैज like lakhs of properties, and for it's such a coincidence that that house that was theirs was sent to us. And then I was just like so confused, like how can it be? And then I sent it to her, and then she's like, bro, it's our house. I'm like, oh my God. So अभी हम जा रहे हैं वहाँ पे, देख रहे हैं. Let's hope we really like the house, because मेरी भी थोड़े specifications है. I wanted a balcony. I wanted a sunset facing house, because सुबह हम उठते नहीं है और मुझे धूप से बहुत प्यार है. So yeah, let's hope we like it. मैं वहाँ जाके आपको वापस दिखाती हूँ. Bye. This is 301.
हम लोग न्यू बिल्डिंग थी और न्यू कंस्ट्रक्शन और खाली. तो इतना तो नहीं 3 BHK पता ना उसका बैक का फोटो वीडियो.
This is the master. We've come to a new building. This also is kind of chilling. Such a huge podium. Very nice, yeah. It's so bright and shiny, and so much of like walking space. पूल है यहाँ पे. ओ क्रिकेट का वो भी है. क्रिकेट का वो टर्फ. Oh, they have a meeting room here. Whoa. Huge gym. There's a club also. Club Trilogy. There are many theater also. Hey, your squash.
ठीक है. जिम इतना ही है.
राइट में भी है. पुश. वो अंदर से ऐसा कनेक्टेड है. और बाहर देख वो करने के लिए है. बाहर वो पूरा अपना. इट्स वेरी एरी. एरी बहुत है. There's toilet also here. This is still the club. First floor of the club. Hey, there's a kids playing station there. See? Oh, nice. Too many things they've given.
Air hockey भी है.
There's air hockey. There's snooker table.
Chess. Let's play chess, babe. Enjoy your time.
Mini theater. Light left में उन्होंने बना. Crazy. So if you want to host, we can. Fun.
Crazy. इसको कैसे बुक करना पड़ता है?
हाँ
पैसे देके?
हाँ बुक करना पड़ता
But still, it's nice that option. Yoga room is also there. Whoa,
योगा करेंगे.
very nice. Conference room, business discussion room. This is,
है. ये कैफे है.
but operational नहीं है.
भी यहाँ पे लोग बुक करते हैं.
अच्छा होस्ट करने के लिए उसे.
बर्थडे वर्थडे.
अच्छा okay, nice. This is the last floor. Whoa, crazy. It's too pretty, bro.
चल बालकनी है तेरा.
Very nice. And it's so scenic and peaceful. So this is the entry. And the kitchen is also very nice. Very nice, spacious and airy. And यहाँ पे clothes रखने के लिए भी. And then यहाँ पे shut भी हो जाएगा. So that's also nice. AC का भी won't be a problem. Hello. And then there's like an L-shaped dining situation. And यहाँ पे ACs लगी हुई है throughout. There's cute balcony, like 2 जन बैठ सकते हैं types balcony है. This is the first bathroom. On the left there is one studio. This is, I think, the biggest room out of all. And then it also has that area, so I think that can be a nice like walk-in situation. यहाँ पे the bathroom is also nice. Fan और वो सब का ऐसे है. And then this is the second bedroom. This can also be like a studio or इधर भी bathroom है. So that's also like a plus point. And the view from this room is actually nice. It's quite nice. This can be the guest bedroom.
इसका स्ट्रक्चर फेज 2 जहाँ मिरर था बीच में.
हाँ.
सी यहाँ पे ग्लास फुल चल रहा है एंगल से. क्रेजी बेस्ट.
And this is the master bedroom. ऐसे we'll have to keep the bed. वो स्काई क्लियर हो जाएगा, देखो सामने पानी दिखेगा, पूरा पानी है. Pomegranate.
अगले सीट पर आगे.
बहुत आगे हूँ मैं. What's up?
आ जाओ तो मैं आपको अंदर खींच रहा हूँ. अच्छा वाश.
What's up? बस ठीक है.
अरे पहले तो
कि दोनों एक ही कार में बैठ के दोनों ने
हम लोग ट्विन कर रहे हैं.
और मैं और निशा ट्विन कर रहे हैं. Oh my God,
2
see?
pinks and 2 browns.
है ना? Such a coincidence.
मतलब मुझे नहीं पता आपसे बात करें, मैं ध्यान नहीं दे रहा था.
Coffee date.
इस जैसी मेमोरी नहीं है मेरी.
She's already there. Bye boys.
चलो बाय बाय बाय.
बैठे unshowered, non-showered. The men that have not showered since morning.
यहाँ शावर. हमने कल रात को ही शावर किया था.
Thanks. Look who's here. We're going shopping for my event.
Passenger princess for life.
Always. I think this is the first time I'm coming to the mall after I'm married. The theme for tomorrow is like white with
But I think that's too
a
simple.
hint of blue. I actually wanted to do like a nice white moment. I can wear those heels. New York.
You want me to vlog?
No. But do you think this will be like too much? It's too dressy.
It's too simple.
क्या बात कर रहे हैं?
For a
It's
host.
too dressy.
It's too simple for a host.
I was going to wear like a basic white top. And she's like, this is... How about this? Is this also simple?
It looks cute, but it's still simple.
My OOTD with my Judah. Dolly and couple are also here. We're doing all the prep because we have the event. So of course I have to like get something. I am hosting and co-hosting an event with Plum, which is why Shrima has flown down all the way from Hyderabad. I flew her down. Like the brand flew her down, but it's such a cute thought. The one top that I liked is not available. The worst part about shopping and our size. Most things like they're like, oh, this is not there on the rack. You need to get it home delivered. Why does not our size not exist? I can do like a high neck and then maybe like a pencil skirt. Is that a vibe or is that a vibe? Such a cool jacket, but again not in my size, bro. What are you doing? I really feel like such cute outfits are. I really feel like doing a nice blue, but they don't really have that many blue options actually. And my villain era, never in my villain era, guys. They have such basic collection. Did you find anything?
Yes, a lot of things for London.
You're already doing London shopping. Focus on tomorrow.
That's the only thing I'm looking forward to.
Are you saying you're not looking forward to my event tomorrow?
I mean,
You bitch.
I mean, major things.
That's my first event. That's
Okay,
supposed to be major.
Sorry. I am looking forward to this event more than to this.
That's like my god. There's barely anything in white that they have.
Yeah, everything is like winter coat.
Yeah. But the colors are so pretty. I really like this also. The duo.
Yeah. Understand what I wrote here.
Congratulations. Prabha Bean. You're so dumb.
So how do I
Thanks,
edit
yaar,
it?
thanks. So nice, so nice.
Oh my god, wait. I have to write Rahul also, otherwise he'll hold it against me. And Rahul.
This bitch is not coming tomorrow for my event.
Because I have
Guilty.
my own event.
Guilty.
How you want me to separate yours
How will you separate it?
and give you?
Obviously, right?
Obviously, right. What is that?
It's our birthday month. She's done now all this birthday shopping for me.
Seriously?
You're going to Thailand on
Seriously?
No, I come back
Seriously?
When is your birthday?
2nd December.
2nd December is your birthday.
Yeah.
Nice.
So how is it your birthday month? 15 से कब चालू कर लिया?
ऐसे ही बोल दिया मैंने भाई. मेरा तो बर्थडे मंथ 1 दिसंबर को स्टार्ट होता है.
चले एक काम कर 200 रुपए दे और 50 रुपए काट ओवर एक्टिंग के वजह
Exactly.
और 2nd को खत्म हो जाता है.
Rahul made matcha. Did you have taste it? How is it? Whoa!
Professional matcha maker.
सबसे अच्छा वाला मैं तेरे को दिया.
क्यों मेरा अच्छा नहीं है?
तेरा सेकंड अच्छा है. मेरा तो माचा ही नहीं है भाई. माचा का वो खत्म हो गया था.
हाँ मतलब अपन को थोड़ा ज़्यादा बनाना चाहिए.
हाँ, तूने पानी फेंकवा दिया मेरे को. तेरा दूध ज्यादा है ना. माचा कम था उसमें. इसको माचा बराबर है.
हाँ.
इसका एक बार ट्राई कर. ये बराबर है ना. मेरे वाला तो दूध है भाई. दूध और मेपल सिरप.
You need to mix नीचे से थोड़ा और. But it's very nice. Thank you अबू.
इसका अच्छा है ना.
इसका अच्छा है
Should I
mild.
put this?
थोड़ा माचा जैसा बाहर है. दूध. सोने से पहले ठंडा दूध पी के सोना.
But we can add now if you want to.
The next morning.
Good morning everyone. I can't believe it's the day that I am going to host an event with Plum. It's insane. I just did my eyebrows. Now it's looking a little more better. पहले इतना शाबी लग रहा था and then I did not do anything ever since the wedding. This is the first day like I'm properly getting ready. And Shrima is here, so she's coming along with me a little early. so that I can finish up like a lot of my work. Shrima, me and Rahul, like the three of us are going. The house is in like absolute mess. Like there is no angle that I can shoot in jahan pe pasara nahi hai at this point. But it's just, I just want to shift from here and then directly set the new house is what my plan is. My skin has been acting up so much, itna acne ho rakha hai, but at least it's not as painful, it's just irritating. So yeah, I'm so excited. The theme is white and blue, and I'm having my morning detox drink. This has jeera, hing, ajwain, lemon, coriander seeds. It's really, really good. Like it does not taste amazing, but I really like all these herbal things ka drinks. Rahul has gone to get a shave done because his stubble was also looking really off. Rahul is home. It's such a nice feeling, na, that like he's home. I'm going to be wearing my chuda. I'm not removing my chuda. There were a lot of people, they were like, chuda pehen ke aane wali hai? Maine bola, of course, like the whole point is to keep on wearing it for 41 days. So I can't just like remove it midway. Let's put some lip oil and start getting ready. Hi, husband. It's okay. Do you think he did a good job?
हिमांशु पाल
But ऐसे clean नहीं लग रहा है.
हाँ तो ऐसे
You
थोड़ा
didn't
बहुत
shower yet?
जा रही
I'm
है
going. I had to iron.
मेरा आयन किया शर्ट
मैंने नहीं किया, वो अपना कर रही थी.
तेरा तूने किया
नहीं, मैं अभी रेडी हो रही थी ना. इधर आ, थोड़ा मैं उसको शेप दे रही
नहीं नहीं वो ब्लेड नहीं मारना करके वो रियलिस्टिक लुक देने के लिए मैंने एक उसको 0 नंबर मारा है
रियलिस्टिक.
आगे एक दो
पूरे तेरे शर्ट पे पूरे बाल है.
अभी क्या करूं मैं
Are you excited, babe? It's my first event that I'm hosting, and he's coming with me.
या
Show some excitement.
या
We're ready. I'm just so scared that I'll stain my top. तो मैं ऐसे ही पूरे रास्ते जाने वाली हूँ.
मेरा
फिर
मतलब
वहाँ जाके
Stay
डायरेक्ट
away from me.
निकालेंगे. और ये देखो थर्मस लेके घूम रही है.
Kharbas.
खरबस ने खरमस
थर्मस.
Okay.
उसके अंदर उसका नाश्ता है.
खरबस ये रोटी बनाने वाली है
ये
हमारी
कटी.
ये हमारी रोटी बनाने वाली है रोटी हर जगह बना के लाती है गरम गरम She's so cute.
He's making you sound like a bite.
So that, and we also have our. Are you ready to win?
What? That? I can't but chopsticks में भी आते हैं
Our rose water mist was born. Grapeseed mist was born.
Thank you. See you.
I'll start 5 seconds later. You guys know. No, why? Penalty for spilling water.
Oh my god.
हाँ तेरा आग का बंद कर
Mine is connected to Rahul's story. I really
Who won?
So my app goes to you technically because it's connected, right? ये दोनों हारे हैं.
Wow.
Where is Juju?
What you've done?
Hey, this is not mine. This art is not mine. This is what I made.
Cute. This is cute.
So Praveen, will you please come on stage and introduce everyone?
Hi everyone. Hi. Thank you so much. For anyone that does not know me, hi, I'm Prateeka Bhamra, and I'm also a content creator. I've been working with the Plum team since forever, but this is such a great opportunity for me, and now I'm going to call the CEO founder, Mr. Shankar Prasad.
And we're very, very happy to welcome you back. So lovely to see all of you in the shades of whites and blue. Thank you so much.
Feedback, your experience with the product. I feel everyone that's here is here for their favorite product.
On a count of three, smile, don't blink.
Hi.
1, 2, 3.
The event is officially over and
बाकी सब ग्रेवी आ गया. White chicken बोला.
I bought this from Colaba.
I got this from home because I'm prepared.
I was not. You're supposed to inform me when you're
रुमाली रोटी
preparing
4.
yourself. And we are at Bade Miyan.
भैया वेज
There was nothing to start with. Probably your friends are bullying me. I'm not like it. I am enjoying it.
श्री में
जो बाल पे था ना,
Fuck off.
उधर आ गया. वो ये मैंने साफ से नीचे गिरा ये.
The Puna from my head fell down.
गुना किधर छूना?
Auntie. Just look at her.
गुना टूना.
Such a dadi. दूसरे साइड से करना सेम एक्सप्रेशन. एंग्री. मेरे को जाना है ऊपर. नॉर्थ ईस्ट. सिक्किम, मेघालय. नो. क्रिसमस.
नॉट
ये जब तो ये यूजुअली कहीं बोलते हैं सब.
She is going to the place where Christmas
आईची कॉलोनी
most fun.
इधर से नॉर्थ है ना. अभी अपन साउथ में है ना भाई.
Should I start putting kajal?
वेब तो नॉर्थ जाना है ना. आईची कॉलोनी चलेगा. नॉर्थ है.
What is that place?
अभी अपन साउथ में.
Guys, should I put kajal?
क्या कर रही है ओए? निष्ठा क्या कर रही है? बोल. फिर नहीं अभी खा ले ये बाद में खा. वो तो साउथ में.
We finally have come to drink because we always wanted to have it and हम 8 जन एक drink पीने के लिए आए हैं यहाँ पे. Let's go. This is the hot girl matcha. You would need to stir it. 2 drinks. ये और tiramisu latte. So sweet, no? We need to swirl more. थूक रही है बाप. How is it? Nice.
Strong matcha blend. Really good. It is a strong matcha blend.
अरे बोलो.
Very nice. matcha quantity increase करना चाहिए.
Yeah. We put very light.
क्या मंगाया तुमने? क्या मंगाया बड़े?
But you didn't like it. I think it will grow.
Yeah.
Actually में ज़्यादा matcha डालेंगे ना तो एक antioxidant जैसे work करेगा.
इनका नाम क्या है?
Hot girl matcha.
उस दिन में पिया ना तेरा शेक. वो दिन जो तेरा शेक किया था ना.
ट्राई ना. ओट मिल्क है, ओट मिल्क.
He's so confused.
Nice, na?
How is it? This is the tiramisu latte. I loved it.
Very good.
Very good, no? Loved. But it's too sweet for her. It is a little sweet, but it's good.
See, try it. You are missing out.
He's such an uncle.
वो तेरा में से उड़ा दिया पूरा.
तू क्या है हमें जाते? We're here for Pani Puri. This uncle makes such yum Pani Puri in Powai. Love it.
चलो बाय 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 बाय.
Bye.
इसको बताया क्या?
Boys are
हम लोग का
going
मोस्टली
to
सनटेक फाइनल हो रहा है.
Thailand.
चल स्माइल.
अरे वहाँ
Bye boys. Bye boys.
ये तो
My iPhone is here.
इसको क्या कर रही है?
रास्ते के बीच में खोल रहे हैं हम अपना iPhone
अनबॉक्सिंग. सबसे महंगा 2TB आईफोन
17 Pro Max
और हमारे पास घर भी नहीं है.
On road.
on road
With some
with
coffee
some
and
coffee and some matcha. Late night shenanigans.
I'm also having matcha. Rahul is having ice on his hand.
Matcha ही है बाबू तेरे लिए.
This is just for
नहीं
content.
बोला फिर कुछ हो गया क्या गलती मेरे कम्युनिकेशन में.
Miscommunication में.
कॉफी बोला था.
Shit.
Sheets. ये क्या है? इसके पैकेट के अंदर पैकेट है. Oh my god.
सुमित भाई ने सरप्राइज किया लगता है अपने.
We should have just gone to Up Coffee and asked them to cut it open for us.
Oh.
Can you see it? बंदा तो
2,000 years later.
हाँ, ये देखो. 6, 7.
Come on, let's go. Woohoo. Nice.
What color? Burning orange.
Show the color. On camera show. Nice dude. Crazy लग रहा है बहुत अच्छा. Very cool. Very cool.
It's looking so nice on your hand. It's looking really
My hand?
nice. Yeah. Like a tech geek को ऐसे हाथ में ऐसे cool लगता है. I just feel that's why I wanted the color because it's a little different.
चल झूठा.
Nice.
It's a vibe.
It's a vibe. Like you feel like you're holding on to something new. But you would have gotten bored, I feel.
Yeah, मैं बाद में फिर
I
regret
think
करता हूँ.
एक हफ्ता.
The longevity.
You are more Ranveer Singh right now.
That is true. Whoa, hero.
1,000,000 zillion jillion dillion cotillion times later.
Yet another day of going to Galleria
What another
with
day.
my
Husband.
my new phone is here. Yay! अभी राहुल को ये कलर अच्छा लग रहा है और राहुल को लग रहा है कि मैंने सिल्वर क्यों लिया.
इसको खुश करने बोल रहा था बस.
चल झूठा.
सिल्वर इज द बेस्ट कलर. गाइस ऊपर देखो ऊपर देखो ऊपर देखो.
It's so cool, bro. It's
Wait,
like,
guys.
wow.
It's good until the best comes in, na. See.
It's cool.
It's coming.
It's
It's
whoa.
coming. This is the bougie shit. Show your phone.
No, this is the shit.
Bajpa.
क्या बोला तूने?
Bajpa.
It's nice only. I like it.
I like this.
That is very you. I actually thought that I'd end up with this only. और मैं बहुत dicey थी.
Rich and expensive and classy.
And then I was like,
Tacky,
shit man, मैंने
tacky,
कभी.
tacky.
And then I thought कि अगर मैं अभी experiment नहीं करूँगी तो मैं कब experiment करूँगी? Because every time I've bought a phone, it's always been in the basic colors. Like I have always had gold. I've always had like nude. Nude मतलब the silver, gold.
Desert titanium.
Yeah, I've never taken a different color. So I was like, let's do it this time. And now हम लोग इसका screen guard और cover लेने के लिए जा रहे हैं Galleria, which is Rahul's favorite place to be at. So yeah, this is the place that Rahul shops all his covers from.
All covers, all phones.
हाँ, this is also nice.
और इनके खोल के दिखाओ.
Nice.
ये देखिए ये भी अच्छा है.
ये नहीं, full black. ये भी अच्छा है, the woven वाला. Hey, this is also nice. Not this. This is nice. ये भी दिखाओ और ये भी दिखाओ.
भारी है ये वाला.
बट ठीक है ना.
नहीं
लगा
प्रोटेक्शन रहेगा. नहीं
मुझे प्रोटेक्शन चाहिए तो लगा तो सही. Sure? No, it's not giving feels.
फुल ऑरेंज आएगा ब्रो.
ये खोल के दिखाओ. I wanted the tan brown and then एक black भी दिखाओ. This is iPhone original only. चल लगा ना, मेरे को चलेगा. He only applies iPhone original covers and I applied the 10th rupee.
No bro, no.
It's nice only. Why? But I don't mind.
I mind. People don't understand. हाँ ये दिखाओ. Black and orange.
मुझे ऐसा में दिखाओ ना टेम्पर्ड में, बड़े ऐसे ब्लैक में. I think with contrast it's looking quite nice. It's very not me, but I like it. And then this is something that I thought that I'm going to take because मतलब मुझे ये पूरा कट चाहिए था. Going to see the last option. अब मैंने ले लिए है एक cover. This is a very nice cover and then I put the bigger sticker so I can stick it anywhere. We've taken the tiramisu from Pinka for Rahul's mom. I call her mom because I call my mom mama. So this is for her. We got the covers. Rahul is getting the car. Now we're going home. बहुत सारी plans है अभी. घर जा मतलब Rahul के घर जाके we have to get ready. We have to change and then we have to immediately leave for my house because वहाँ पे already I have a lot of shoot that I've planned. So yeah, let's go.
A few moments later.
Hi, this is my iPhone. It's the 17 Pro Max 2 TB and it just looks so good. मैंने already आपको दिखा दिया but मैं फिर भी दिखा रही हूँ because I put the sticker and everything and it's looking so nice. I love it. The quality of camera, like everything is just looking so cute. I love it. Anyway, I had a lot to shoot as I told you. इसलिए हम जल्दी वापस आ गए. आते आते भी हमें बहुत time लग गया. And then we had a lot of work to do. So Rahul was trying to fix my phone and make all the like SIM card सब activate करने का वो सब कर रहा था. And I was finishing up all of my shoot. And then he surprised me with flowers. He surprised me with flowers and he asked me out on a date and officially this is the first day that we both are going out on a dinner date post marriage.
क्या बात कर रहे हैं?
It's the 21st and today is the first day we're going out because one of our best friends Sean was staying with us ever since the wedding because he's from like he went to Paris to study and वहाँ से वो वापस आया था और फिर वो हमारी शादी के लिए आया था तो ऑफ कोर्स हमारे साथ ही रह रहा था. तो जब से शादी हुई थी तब से हमें बिल्कुल भी अलोन टाइम नहीं मिला था बिकॉज हमारे सब फ्रेंड्स यहीं पे थे पूरे टाइम. लाइक इट वाज लाइक अ प्रॉपर बैचलर्स पैड and it was just like so much fun. Every day we were just like we were just literally partying. We've gone out, we've gone clubbing, we were just like having the time of our lives. But we really missed just being with each other and I think that feeling of a newly married couple वो आज हुआ है. Like literally after 21 days because Sean, Kapil and Karan have gone to Thailand with all of their friends, and we have the house all to ourselves. So Rahul asked me out on a date, and now we're going for dinner. I don't know where he's taking me for dinner, but he called for these beautiful flowers. He knows I love these baby feathers. I think it's quite wahi bolte hain. And he also got me a note, which I can't read.
Hey, bye, mera bye.
But yeah, I'm ready. I'm wearing a beautiful pink dress with my chuda, my hair done, my Dior earrings, some lip gloss. I'm smelling. I'm just going to put some body lotion and then let's go. This actually is such a good body lotion. It actually smells like Gucci Flora. जब मैंने इसका campaign भी किया था, I was so excited, and they could see it in the video. They're like, you are loving it. It's anything that makes me smell good, I want it. I can't believe I'm vlogging. Like, I've been so consistent with vlogging ever since the wedding preps have been on, because you guys love it. And we're so glad because so many of you have joined the page, and it's just really cute. There is a perfume that Rahul really likes, and then there's this one also that's nice, but I think I want to wear what he... मतलब every time that we've gone out, like जब भी चाहे वो शादी के दिन पे भी हो, मैं कोई भी कितनी भी अच्छी परफ्यूम लगाऊं, he will not remember or he will not compliment me. But only when I wear this perfume is when he'll compliment me. It's just like this really fresh, and it just smells really good. Really, really good. Yeah, I'm all ready. I'll see you guys at the date or after the date. I don't know, but I'll see you. Rahul Cutie has changed his outfit for me so that he can match with me. Too many cute things he's doing in a day.
अपने पापों का प्राइस चेक करते हुए
Rahul got me here. We're in Era. What a fun vibe. We're almost done with everything, and Rahul wanted to have dessert. Shall we taste test कर?
देखो खिलाऊंगा सबसे पहले
पहले तो खुद खा ले.
मूस with a scoop of ice cream and dust powder.
Dust powder, these names.
Camembert.
He's just been randomly saying dummy okay.
The next morning.
Good morning everyone. This is the next day. मेरा शूट काम सब हो चुका है, and आज मैं जा रही हूँ शॉपिंग. I'm waiting for Rahul. He's actually gone to get my ring fixed. इसके साथ मुझे और एक stack उसने gift किया था, like मुझे engagement में पहनाया था. But the problem with that stack was that it was constantly coming off. Like there was a diamond that was constantly popping. And मैं जब ये गिद्दा कर रही थी on my मेहंदी तो एक diamond वापस गिर गया. And now I don't have it. So he went to fix that. And also पार्ट के टाइम से यहाँ पे बहुत सारा ऐसे बर्तन पड़े हुए थे मेरी मॉम के घर के, तो Rahul's gone there to give her that. And yeah, he's going to come. I'm going to take the car and then I'm going to go meet dolls because I'm going to the mall with her. And now I have to match all the fits with my red chuda. So I'm going to go for like really basic colors like whites, beiges, browns, blacks, blues. Also will look nice. Pink I think really makes it look, it's cute, but I feel it looks too girly and not really my vibe. So because कल मैंने pink पहना था तो मुझे ऐसे लग रहा था कि बहुत ज़्यादा pink with चूड़ा with that black bag, बहुत ज़्यादा लग रहा था. So I might really not do that. On another note, Rahul loves, like he started loving matcha. Please ignore all the mess behind. But Rahul has started loving matcha and he's coming here in 5 minutes. So let's surprise him with thanda glass of matcha. He'll be so happy. You know, I always dreamt of doing all these things for him, and now he's living with me, and I can do it every day. Am I out of matcha? Shit, yaar. I have another brand's matcha, but the problem is I don't know how will it taste. I have the matcha. This is the matcha that I use. This is the Glow Glossaries one, and it's over. Let's make this today.
आइए देखते हैं मजा आएगा
I use this date syrup to make the matcha. I did not. This is the all natural date syrup क्योंकि मुझे दूसरा जो एक syrup आता है जो actual में इसमें डालते हैं the maple syrup, it's too sweet and like it's sugary. So I thought date is a better option and it tastes exactly the same. Like there's no difference. 2 spoons of this. Water is here. It just does not have to be lumpy. That's all. मैं अपने हिसाब से ही इसका quantity लेती हूँ. I don't make it like the book way. I make it however I feel like, and it just tastes good. So time to whisk it so that there are no lumps. Another thing I do is I put a little bit of vanilla essence, like 2-3 drops. That really adds to the flavor. खुल जा यार. जो नहीं चाहिए वही हो रहा, सब जगह फंस रही हूँ. Put lots of ice. Then I take the oat milk. Put lots of that. I hope the taste is nice only because ये अलग matcha use किया है मैंने आज. Yay! It looks nice. Adding my straws and the vanilla oat matcha is ready. Let's hope he likes it. कब से रुकी हुई हूँ आ ही नहीं रहा. matcha मेरा पूरा मुझे लग रहा है straw ना पिघल जाए. कब से खड़ी हूँ मैं यहाँ पे.
1 million zillion jillion dillion cotillion times later.
Standing here since the last 15 minutes because अब मुझे पता चला कि वो गया है नीचे बेकरी में पाव लेने के लिए. And I'm just still. I really feel it's going to melt inside. Finally, you're home.
Thank you so much.
I've been standing since 15 minutes, you know.
तो हमें लोकेशन आ गया था.
हाँ.
तो वो बेकरी पूछ के लिए चल के लेने गया था.
This is for you. I am on my way to go meet dolls, and then we are going to go to Oberoi. I have so many firsts. This is the first time. No, I actually have been to the mall, but I think this is the first time I'm driving my car after the wedding. क्योंकि जब से हम साथ में रहे तब से राहुल ही कार ड्राइव कर रहा है. But yes, I need a few clothes, so let's go. We have come to West Side. I'm trying to find clothes that are of my size. यहाँ का they have like XL and XXL options also, but I'm not seeing anything that is that interesting. Like, see this is ये नहीं चाहिए. वो आप कर दो. These are normal dresses. Then there were these, but I don't know how comfortable.
5,800.
And then there's one in brown also. Should I take both? I'm taking the same ये because वो दूसरा वाला नहीं था. Then this also I really like the color. Basic jeans के साथ. Then there's this, but is it like nice enough to take?
It's pretty. It's cute.
Then ये वाले pants भी अच्छे लग रहे हैं. It's too baggy, but it's hot night dress. ये भी निकालो. Now we've come to Oberoi to shop. We did get a lot of things, but dolls has something to return in Zara, so we've come here. And I'm going to show you because I saw myself on the banner. That's me in the Oberoi Mall. Yay! Honey is back.
वो चालू करने के बाद ऐसे अचानक से दिखा कि दांत में कुछ फंसा हुआ था. ऐसे कुछ था, वो उतने में नहीं दिखता है मैन्युअल ऐसे।
व्लॉगिंग। मैं अभी इनका मेकअप कर रही हूँ दिखाने के लिए।
ना ऐसे सब मत कर। ये बहुत तकलीफ है।
यहाँ पे तुमको क्या हुआ है मुँह पे तो छिल
इतने सारे सामानों में तुमको समझ कैसे आती है कि ये वो चीज़ है, ये वो चीज़ है। अभी क्या यूज़ किया है समझ गया। मतलब ये अलग अलग ब्रांड्स के होते हैं ना।
सनस्क्रीन लगा देना, सनस्क्रीन मॉइस्चराइजर के बाद ज़्यादा मतलब जहाँ पे तुमको टेक्सचर मतलब ये लगाते तो ज़्यादा मेकअप लंबा रहता है। ये अभी तुमको लग रहा है तुम्हारे शेड एग्जैक्ट है तो तुमको डार्क लग रहा है कि लाइट
बिना चश्मे के अंदर में यही शेड है।
हाँ, क्योंकि मुझे भी एग्जैक्टली तुम्हारा ही शेड लग रहा है, बहुत नेचुरल लग रहा है।
मौन व्रत धारण कर लेते हैं जैसे वीडियो चाहे।
Good morning. This is my outfit for the dinner.
बंदे ने दिमाग नहीं लगाया।
We are on the way to first drop Nishtha. Nishtha is going for her friend's Mehndi. And we are going to Rahul's mom-dad's anniversary dinner and Rahul's mom's birthday dinner, which is back to back. So, yay! We are at Create Craft. It's actually so pretty. And we're going on the first floor. It's pretty! Happy birthday to you.
बहुत अच्छा लेके जा करते विश मांगो और ब्लो करके काट दो।